Here I have Motorola Moto G31, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly you have to select your preferred language. I'll just stay with English, then tap start. Then you can connect to the mobile network by inserting your SIM card, but if you don't have your SIM card on you, you can just skip the step for now and do this anytime later. And you can connect the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network around, you can just skip the step for now and do this later. Then you have to disable all this stuff, tap accept and continue. Then set up your date and time, then disable all ticks here too, tap accept. Then you can set up screen log, but also you can just skip this step for now and do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. Then tap not now, not now, once again, get started. Then you have this new navigation type tutorial, navigation with gestures. So if you don't know how to use it, just you can get to know with it in these previous tutorials. And after that, device will be ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.